Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create an AWS free tier account. So let's get started quickly. So first please open your web browser and search for AWS free tier account, and you will see these search results. So scroll down and search for this free cloud computing services AWS free tier and click on it, and then you will get landed on this page. This kind of page you will be seeing. Now you have to click on create a free account, and you will see this kind of page. So it is asking for root user email address, which is the main email address that will be linked to your AWS account, and all the communication related to AWS will be sent on this email address only, like your billing and all other things. Okay. And second is AWS account name, which is the name for your account. It is as simple as that. And uh, after this, we have to verify our email address. Okay. So I will put my email address and account name in this. You guys can follow along. So I have entered my root user email address and AWS account name. So after filling in these details, please click on verify email address. And then it is asking you to confirm that this email address belongs to you. They have sent a verification code on this email ID. Uh, you will receive your verification code on your email ID, which you have entered in the previous step. After receiving the verification code, please enter the verification code uh, in this field and click on verify. I will quickly check mine and get back. So this is my verification code, and I have I have entered it here. Don't copy this code because this will not work for you. Please enter your own verification code that you will be receiving on your email ID and click on verify. Now that you have verified your email address and it is showing you this success message, it's your email address has been successfully verified. Now you can create your root user password, and you have to enter it 2 times to confirm that root user password matches, and then click on continue. So I will quickly write my root user password. You can also write yours and follow along. So I have entered my root user password, and now I'm going to click on this continue. After clicking on continue, you can see that this is showing that free tier offers always free, never expires, 12 months free, and trials. These are kind of free tier variations that AWS provides. Some services are always free, some services are 12 months free, and some services are free only for trial basis. So you can read more about it on AWS official documentation. Now it is asking some questions like how do you plan to use AWS. So it's my for I will prefer keeping it for personal or for your own projects. Who should we contact about this account? So I will enter my details in here. You should enter your details in here. Provide the address, city, state, province, and postal code, and then click on continue. I will quickly fill in my details and get back to you. So I have filled in my personal information on the previous page and clicked on the continue button. And now I have landed on this billing information page where I have to mention the credit or debit card number and all the details regarding that. It will charge you approximately $1 or so, but it will get refunded immediately in some time. So for creating the account, this is a compulsory step. Without completing this step, the AWS free tier account will not be created. So please fill in the details, and I will get back to you after filling in the details. So after filling in my card details, it is asking me, do you have a PAN number? So I have a PAN number, so I will enter it here. It is an like, you can also click no, but if you have a PAN number, please enter it and then click on verify and continue. I will enter my PAN number here and click on verify and continue, and let's see what happens next in step 4. So after clicking on that verify and continue button on the billing page, on the billing details page, I got uh, redirected to Amazon Payment Gateway, where I was asked to enter an OTP for, and it charged me rupees 2 as I am in India. So I entered the OTP and I am landed on this page now. So it is asking to confirm the identity. So yes, this is my name, and primary purpose of account registration is for personal use, and ownership type is individual. Now it is asking me to enter my PAN number details, and I will enter it here and click on continue again. So this is the step 5. This is again the confirm identity. So how should we send you the verification code? So I will prefer a text message, and as I am in India, so I will enter India, and I will enter my phone number and the security code that is shown here, and click on send SMS. So after entering the verification code and my phone number, I got an OTP for verification, and I entered that OTP, and then I am landed on this page where it asks to select a support plan. So we have to select this basic support, which is free, because if we select any other edition like developer edition or business edition, then we will get charged. Like it is also showing it here like $29 per month and $100 per month. For a free tier account, we will be selecting this basic support, which is free, and then scroll down and click on complete sign up. So congratulations guys, we have successfully created an AWS free tier account, and now they are activating our account, which should take about few minutes, and we will also receive an official email from AWS on our email ID, which we provided in the first step, that our account has been successfully activated and created. Meanwhile, we can click on this go to AWS management console and try out the things. So first it will show you like this, like welcome to Amazon Web Services, and we have to this is somewhat optional. You don't need to do this. If you are willing to do, you can do it, but I will skip this and click on sign into the console. And now this is the login page that you will be seeing while logging that you will be seeing every time when you will be logging into the AWS account. So there are two types of account in AWS: root user and IAM user. So we will see what both of these accounts do, but right now we have to log in using root user because we need to verify that our account has been activated or not. So we need to provide our email ID. In root user email ID, please enter the email ID that you entered in while creating the AWS account in step 1, and click on next. Then you need to enter your password, so I will enter my password and then click on sign in. So now I have successfully signed into my AWS console. This is my home page of AWS console. So these are some suggestions from AWS. You can click on done, and done. It is you can also read it. It is showing some suggestions that you can do with your account. So this is the console. So here you will see recently visited AWS services, and it is showing commonly visited services, which are EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, S3, Simple Storage Service, RDS, Relational Database Service, and Lambda, which is used for serverless computing. So we will see all these things in our videos. And you can also customize these things, like you can extend this and do all the stuff that you like. But this is your AWS console. Okay, here you can search many services, like I will search EC2, so it will show me this is the EC2. If I want to see S3, I can see that also. If I want to see DynamoDB, so it will show me this. So for now, let's go to EC2 and click enter. So it will take me to the EC2 homepage, EC2 console. So this is EC2 console. Right now there are no instances running, and by default AWS has created a security group for you. You can refer the videos on the channel to learn more about security groups. So yes, for going back to the main console, please click on this AWS logo and you will be redirected to the main console. And now, as we have visited EC2 recently, so this has been updated. This recently visited tab has been updated and it is showing EC2 here. You can also see that our region is currently set to Northern Virginia, and if I click on this, I will get a list of the different regions that are provided by AWS. So currently we are in this US East Northern Virginia, which is US East 1. The most close region to me right now is Asia Pacific Mumbai, which is AP South 1. And you can see there are lots of regions that AWS provides, and some of the regions are not enabled for my account. So this will also be the same case for your account also. So for now we will be using this Northern Virginia region only. So I will click on that and the page will get refreshed again. Now also you can see that there is my name showing, and if you click on this, you will see the account ID and all the account related details on this tab. Also, if you want to sign out, you can click on sign out. But you can see all the account related details here, organizational details here. Service quotas means how much capacity, how much service quotas are we allocated, and billing and cost management is also there, and security credentials is also there. So yes, now we have successfully created an AWS account and we can start using the AWS services.